I would definitely recommend GCSEPod to other schools and colleges because it's just so accessible, it's so easy, it's really appealing to students.
The thing I love most about GCSEPod is that it incorporates lots of different learning techniques. So it has videos and then afterwards you can answer questions, and I feel like that really incorporates like the learning aspect of it and how it would be like for an exam.
In subjects like maths and science, where there's lots of equations and things that you may not understand in the first lesson, you can always go home, search it up on GCSEPod to get some extra information.
It helps students if you're not at school or if you're not participating in lesson that well, you're able to watch videos by yourself, and if an individual doesn't work well with reading or reading information that they've learned in lesson, they can always do another option, which is watch a video.
Yes, I would recommend GCSEPod for students, as it's a very interactive tool and allows for revision to be done easily.